is the Cisco 8811 IP phone. The 8811 is ideal for knowledge workers and teleworkers in medium to large size enterprises. It features a 5-inch widescreen backlit grayscale display with an integrated headset jack. The 8811 also features support for wideband audio and a full duplex speakerphone. Included with the Cisco 8811 is the phone stand, handset cord, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.